right. Um, what's the degree of this polynomial? Can't see that. There. 4. What's the leading coefficient?
6.
There you go. All right. F of 0 equals 5. F of 5 equals 0. F of 0 equals 5. F of 5 equals 0. So is this a linear function? Yes. Okay. And so since it's a linear function, makes a straight line. So we have the points 5, 0, and 0, 5. We can find the slope by going 5 minus 0 over 0 minus 5, which is 5 over negative 5, which is negative 1 for a slope. What's my y-intercept? So it's negative x plus 5. Okay, easy peasy there. Match graph with this. Well, is this going to open up or open down? Up, because the 3 is positive, so it can't be that one, can't be that one, can't be that one. Okay. Next, is it 2 to the right or 2 to the left of the origin? 2 to the right, because of the minus 2. Well, it can't be that, can't be that, so all of a sudden we're there. Okay? And then it's down 6. The correct graph is the only graph that has a parabola with a vertex of, and now I hate when that does that. So I gotta go smaller and then go down. Okay, so the vertex would be at 2, negative 6. In addition, it opens up and passes to the points 1, what? Well, you stick a 1 in here and solve it. And 3, what? Well, you stick a 3 in there and solve it. Okay? But 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3. Minus 6 is negative 3. So 1, negative 3, and 3, negative 3. Right? All right. Complete the square to figure out the vertex form of this graph. So complete the square. It's x squared minus 10x plus blank plus 29 minus blank. Whatever you put in the blank, you have to subtract. So you take half of negative 10 and square it. Reese, pay attention. Half of negative 10 and square it. So it's 25 and 25. So it's x minus 5 quantity squared plus 4. Okay? Which is this one. Okay? So it's a parabola with a vertex of what? 5, 4. Axis of symmetry of x equals 5. Find the x-intercepts. Well, if it's at 5, 4, 5, 4, and it opens up, will it have any x-intercepts? No. There will be no x-intercepts, and it's upward opening. Okay? Determine whether the function is a monomial function. If it is, what's the degree and leading coefficient? A monomial function only has one term. Does that just have one term? Yeah, it has a degree of and a leading coefficient of 1. Okay. What's the degree of that function? 3. It's a third degree function. And it intersects the graph at 2, negative 3, negative 5. 2, negative 3, and negative 5. So I think these lines go by 2's. 2, negative 3, negative 5 would match with this one and with this one. I think they're, nope, that's negative 2. So I think it's this one. Okay. And if you need to check, just check on your graphing calculator. So as you're going towards infinity, where is it going? Up to infinity. As you're going towards the negative infinity, where is it going? Down to negative infinity. So it's this one. Find the zeros of the function algebraically. Well, you try to find it by doing factoring, which I think you could probably factor this, but you could also do the quadratic formula, negative 17 plus or minus the square root of 17 squared. What is 17 squared? 289? Minus 4AC all over 2A. So it's 289 plus 4 times 6 times 45, whatever that is. 1,369 over 12. 1369 is a perfect square, I think. What's the square root of 1369?
37.
So negative 17 plus 36, so you get 20 over 12. If you subtract these, it's negative 54 over 12. Divide them both by 4, it's 5/3. And negative 20, well, 3 goes into this one, 6 goes into this one, so it's 9/2. There we go. I think that's it. The zeros of this function, what do we do first on this function? If we want to factor it, take out an x. Very good. So it's x squared minus 2x minus 8. So it's x minus 4, x plus 2. So the factors are 0, 4, and negative 2. Using only algebra with the given zeros, what's the function? Well, it's x plus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 7. So FOIL this. So it's x squared minus 4x minus 21. Oh, plus 4x minus 21. And if we double distribute, x cubed plus 4x squared minus 21x. And then plus 2x squared plus 8x minus 42. So it's x cubed plus 6x squared minus 13x minus 42. And so there's just a 6 that goes there. Synthetic division. What goes in the box? 2 or negative 2? Negative 2. And we get 1, 10, 5, negative 10. So we go 1, negative 2, 8, negative 16, negative 11, positive 22, which is 12. And I did something wrong, didn't I? Oh, the first one is supposed to be a 3. Good call. All right, so we'll do this again. Negative 6, 4, negative 8, negative 3, 6, negative 4. So it's 3, 4, negative 3, negative 4. Kind of looks like this one, right? Yep, it is. Remainder theorem. Is this, what's the remainder? So we go negative 5, and then we go negative 2, negative 12, negative 11, negative 7. Negative 2 gives me a positive 10, negative 2, positive 10, negative 1, positive 5, negative 2. Remainder of negative 2. Rational roots theorem, that's what we worked on a little earlier. All the factors of 12 over all the factors of 6. So it's this one. So which of them work? Well, we actually have to figure this out. But having multiple choice kind of helps. Because we have 6, negative 31, 25, and 12. So I'm guessing it's either 4 and 8. It's either one of this. It's either this or this. Why did I put commas there? So I'm going to try -4 first. Nope, I'm going to try 4 first. 6, 24, -7, -28, -3, -12. It worked. So +4 works. It's got to be that one. Okay? So the practice test is out there. Do it a couple times.